Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable Android safe browsing on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy A54, A55 or the A series, and now you want to enable safe browsing on your device, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn on or enable Android safe browsing on your Samsung Galaxy A54, go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down, locate security and privacy, then scroll down the page, locate more security settings and click on that. Then under more security settings, you see Android safe browsing, go ahead and click on that. Now, to enable safe browsing on your Android phone, scroll down. If use live threat detection is disabled, then go ahead and turn this on. And of course, you're gonna see live threat detection is off. Some threats may be mixed and alerts may be delayed. Now, to make sure you turn on safe browsing on your Android phone, just go to where you see Android safe browsing is on and turn on live threat detection. So this is going to make sure that live threats are detected and then you are alert on time. So that is basically how to enable Android safe browsing on Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.